I am to tell you about the author of the book about which I will review the you. The book is Ulum al-Quran. The author of this book is a very high-ranking and expert Islamic scholar, Shaykh al-Islam, Hazrat Maulana Mufti Muhammad Taqi Usmani Sahib, who is recently elected as president of Wifaq al-Madaris. As you know, that in this day and age, some peoples are creating different doubts and suspicions about Quran. I mean about the history of revelation and history of protection of Quran. So in order to abolish all these doubts and suspicions, so he realized to write a book on this topic. So this book contains different chapters, which is regarding to introduction of Quran, needs some basic knowledge about Quran, and to abolish all these doubts about the history of revelation of Quran, history of revelation of history of protection of Quran, and all these. So I am suggesting you all buy this book.
Alright, overall it's very good. Just try to be a little more emphatic as you're talking. Like थोड़ा सा energy and power that is required, right? कोशिश करें. Mashallah, overall very good, right? You can become a good religious scholars. आपकी अच्छी videos आनी चाहिए.